Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and today I learned that sometimes things just don't go the way that you envisioned them to go, the way that you planned them to go, the way that you just thought it would happen. And sometimes your expectations do not get met, and sometimes it is dramatically not meeting your expectations. But and in those times you may want to change the past and go back and do it all over again, right? But these are the times when you can learn the most and grow the most and bounce back, because ultimately all you can control is yourself. You can't control the external circumstances or other people's opinions or anything outside of you. All you can control is you and the actions you are taking and the mindset you have and the attitude you have. And if you do that all right and it still turns out wrong, then there's nothing else you can do, right? And you just have to trust, right? You have to trust in God that was his plan for you, right? One of my favorite verses, Proverbs 16:9, the heart of a man plans his way, but the Lord establishes his steps, right? You can plan all you want. You can control yourself however much you want and do the best you can with the best attitude, with the best everything, and still not get what you want, right? And that's just God's plan for you, right? He will not withhold anything. He's not, although it may seem like punishment or it may seem like, oh, why are you doing this to me? You know that you can have peace in knowing that it's what's best for you, right? And obviously you can pray for it to meet your expectations and for your plan to align with his, but you cannot get mad at God and you cannot get angry and mad if you just control what you can control yourself, control your actions, your attitude, just try your best with the best attitude. Don't react the wrong way, right? Just try your best with the best attitude. Try to be as Christ-like as possible and as positive, and just try your best and try to if it doesn't go your way, don't unleash that to everyone, and don't just have peace in knowing that you tried your best and that this is what God's plan is for you, right? So I think the hardest part is honestly just trying your best, right? It can be really hard to know what that looks like, because I honestly think that we don't try our best. We think we are, but we actually aren't. And you really just need to make sure that you have that mindset of trying your best and you're not just lackadaisical, right? You want to be confident in your abilities and you want to try your best no matter what. And if it doesn't go your way, then so be it, and just trust that is what's right, right? And even though that's really hard when our expectations do not get met, when our plans do not fulfill themselves, right? But you need to trust, and even though it's really hard, you need to just try your best and trust the process, right? And like I said, trying your best is hard, and it can be hard to know what that looks like, but just don't give up, right? Be perseverant. Just continue trying your best throughout, just as long as you can, right? Be perseverant in that way. Just do what you know is right and do what you know is true, and when you mess up, learn from that, right? You need to learn from that. Ask for help, talk to people, learn from your mistakes, and do better next time, right? I think trying your best is very, very important, and like I said, I feel like we undercut that a lot and don't realize it. So you really just need to try your best at trying your best, right? Lay everything out there, lay it all out on the field. Don't leave anything behind. Don't leave your thing thinking I could have done better, right? I held back at some point when I shouldn't have, right? Don't hold back. Just lay it all out there and try try your best and trust the process, whether or not it meets your expectations or not, whether your plan is fulfilled or not. But just remember my favorite verse, the heart of a man plans his way, but the Lord establishes his steps. So no matter what happens, just trust in his plan. So that's what I learned today. Although it can be very demoralizing when your expectations do not get met, just be perseverant, keep trying your best, and trust in the Lord. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is a video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.